At 48-Hour Books, we're often asked if we have any specific layout or PDF requirements. One important thing that you'll need to do is make sure you create a single PDF file with the entire inside portion of your book, and make sure the pages of your PDF are single pages, not spreads. Many programs will give you the option of printing in spreads, which puts two pages together face-to-face on a single sheet. You should always disable this feature before creating your PDFs. To do this is simple. In Microsoft Word, go up to File, then Print. Select DoPDF as your printer. There is a section called Pages per Sheet. Make sure it's set to 1 page. Click OK and your PDF will be exported as pages instead of spreads. For InDesign, go up to File, then Export. Make sure the Spreads box is unchecked before exporting your PDF. If you have any questions at all, call or email us. We're here to help.